Hello and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In this video I'll show you how you can create a complete WordPress website in under 10 minutes. For the sake of this tutorial I have reset my WordPress to defaults, and at the moment I have a fresh installation of WordPress. If I open my website, you'll see that I have the default 2020 theme installed and I do not have any content on my website at the moment. So let's jump right into it and see how we can create an entire WordPress website in less than 10 minutes. I'll go to my dashboard, and the first thing we have to do is install a theme. So I'll go to Appearance and Themes. Currently I have the default 2020 theme added. I'll add a new theme. Okay, the name of the theme we have to install is 𝗪𝗲𝗃. So I'll search it here. Okay, this is our theme. Simply hover over it and click install, or you can click the thumbnail to have a detailed preview. And after you've had a preview, simply click this button install and your theme will be installed. If you don't know how to install different themes, I have another video on that. I'll put a link in description and you can go check out that video. Okay, my theme has been installed. Now I'll simply click activate to activate this theme. And now the current active theme for this site is 𝗪𝗲𝗃. And as soon as you'll activate this theme, you'll see this welcome message here, and on this section you'll find this button, get started with 𝗪𝗲𝗃. Simply click on this button and now the theme will automatically install the 𝗲𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗂𝘂𝗀𝗀 demo importer plugin for us to import the demos. And once the plugin is installed, it will automatically redirect me to the demos. And there is another way to reach this demos page. Go to your themes again, hover over 𝗪𝗃𝗃 theme and click it. Here you have a button called demo importer. Click it and it will again redirect you to the demos. Here we have many pre-made demos for different business genres. You'll see that we have one for agency, for counseling, for a job portal, for a real estate website. Here are some demos for the blogs. We have the travel blog, health blog, restaurant blog, and there are many more demos like this. So if I scroll up again, you'll see many filters here. First of all, select which page builders you use. Currently all is selected. In this tutorial I'll be using Elementor, so I'll select the Elementor page builder here, and it will filter out all the demos that are made using Elementor. Now if you want to filter the site genre or business category, you can filter it from here. Currently all the websites are listed. You can click blog and it will filter out all the blogs for you. Click the business and it will filter out all the business websites for you. If you have to make a one-page website, simply click on this tab and it will filter out the one-page websites for you. So I'll go to all. Here you'll have to select a demo in the category for which you're creating the website. If you're creating a website for an agency, you'll have to import this demo. If you're creating a job portal, you'll import this demo. Now keep in mind that as this is a free plugin, you'll not be able to import the premium demos. Premium demos have the premium tag here. I'll scroll down, and let's say I'm creating a website for a business firm. I have a business firm demo here. Simply hover over it to have a preview, and here you'll see a complete preview of the demo you're importing. You can navigate to other pages too to see what they look like. Now finally, when you've decided that you have to import this demo, simply click this import demo button, or click this cross icon, hover over the demo and click this import button. You'll see a warning message that if you already have some content added to your site, you should first remove that content and get a fresh installation of WordPress to import the demo exactly like it is, and to avoid any interference or replication with the content already added. So it's just a warning. Even if you have some content already added to your site, the demo will still be imported, but it is recommended that you get a fresh installation of WordPress first. I'll click on confirm, and now the theme will automatically import the demo for me. Now the demo import process takes 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your internet speed. So I'll fast forward the video here until the demo is imported. Okay, now our demo has been imported. You'll see a success message here, and now the install button has been changed to live preview. So I'll click this button to preview the website, and as you can see, the demo has been imported successfully and we have the whole website created for us. Now the design of this demo is very professional, and as you can see that the website is very elegant, so you can use this demo import technique on your client's website as well. You can see that we have everything that needs to be there. I'll navigate to other pages and go to about, and all the pages have been imported for us. I'll go to the shop page, and you'll see that we have all the products here. In the sidebar we have a search box, we have some top rated products, and we have product categories. I'll go back to the home page, and once you've successfully imported the demo, you can edit the content any way you want it to be. Simply navigate to the page you want to edit and click the button Edit with Elementor. Now while importing the demo, the theme will automatically install Elementor for you. Now let's say I want this text to be changed. I'll simply click on this section and change the text from here. If you don't know how to work with Elementor page builder, I have a small series on that. I'll put a link in description and you can check that Elementor series too. Let's say I want the text to be welcome to virtual crafts, and if I want to change the text of any button, I'll simply click this edit icon, change the button text to, let's say, contact us. So you can make any change according to you to this website. Let's say I want to change this image, simply click on it, click the image, go to media library, and you can choose any other image from the gallery. Let's say choose this one, and it has been changed. So you can edit your content in any way you want it to be. I'll update the changes. And I'll preview the website, and as you can see, the text has been changed. So this is how you can create a complete professional website with WordPress in under 10 minutes. If you get a freelancing project to create a website, simply import a demo in 10 minutes, edit the content you want to change in terms of text and media on the website, and you can get a $300 website ready in maybe less than an hour. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, you can ping me up in the comment section. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon next to it to receive the notifications of every new video uploaded. Thank you, and see you in the next video.